When we moved to Bhopal some 13-14 years ago, we wanted to set up a school which was different.
Najam and Samina, they reached out to me, gave them the vision for what I was looking to do for the children of India, and they were completely in.
The school was set up with a vision to set a benchmark in world-class education,
where students participate equally.
This is our dream. God wanted us to do something, and it came naturally to us.
So with that dream, we started developing this campus brick by brick. When we were designing the school, I told my architect that I want very wide corridors. All the areas of the school should have enough lighting and ventilation. There's a lot of light and ventilation in the room, so that makes spending time here very comfortable for the children.
Najam and Samina have put phenomenal work into the infrastructure. They're constantly looking at what can they do better, what little touches can they add. So while we have in our schools, Aboriginal artwork on the walls, they've got it on every single pillar of theirs.
They are not barren walls. Each wall in the classroom has some information. Each corridor is decorated with something or the other that is relevant to their education.
Very often people walk into the school and tell us that they feel some kind of energy here.
We both had very honest and genuine intentions to open up this school, and we still have. So that is reflecting.
I don't think there's a day when Najam and Samina don't wake up and say, how can we make this school even better?
We have these rooms like dollhouse, free play area, where we get to know the real child. Children try to pretend themselves either as moms or as teachers, or whatever they have in their mind. So we as teachers observe them, and we pick up things about children from there and take it beyond.
Nothing can be achieved forcefully. The kids should have love for learning, and that can be achieved only when there is loving connection between the teacher and the student.
Methodology we practice is quite different from the general run-of-the-mill schools that is practiced.
We are talking of a curriculum which is child-centric.
It is very scientifically developed. It is well researched.
Our curriculum is designed on the foundation of life skills, self-love, self-worth, self-appreciation, and handling the situations in a most positive manner.
The recognition of a child is always there right from preschool to high school. Class size takes care of this.
If some child is auditory learner or visual learner or kinesthetic learner, the curriculum is designed in such a way that it caters to all the three kinds of different learning styles.
We just believe in a simple thing: let a child perform to the best of his ability. We are trying to empower them to face the challenges which are still not known to us.
My favorite thing about this school is that no one over here rules over me. My teacher teaches me how to do painting. She plays around with colors. She says that there's no point in me telling you what to do. You do what you feel like.
Education is not just academic excellence. It is a beautiful conversation between body, mind and soul. It has to be physical, emotional and spiritual. We lay a lot of emphasis in all kinds of activities so that the child grows into a well-rounded personality.
Billabong is not a school to me, it's more of a family. This is really my second home.
My home where the teachers are my parents, where my friends are my siblings, playground and everything. It's just nothing but my home, my very own home.
Nutrizone, where my children love to come in their snack break and lunch break, and parents tell me that, ma'am, what do you cook and how are your recipes, that children do not want to get home food.
When I came here 10 years ago, the very first meeting with Samina ma'am here cleared all my doubts. I knew this was the school for my daughter.
I wanted a school where my kids could go and it was not just the bookish knowledge that they get, but something more than that. And I think Billabong gave my kids that.
My kids just love to come to school, and I don't think I've ever faced a day in these last 4 years where I've had to ask my kids to, come on, you have to go to school.
I was told the very first day we'll be available 24/7, and yes, in so many years I can say yes, whenever needed, the faculty, the management was there 24/7.
We have seen extraordinary growth in the kids, and the belongingness, dedication of Billabong family, teachers, it's too high.
Billabong will set the world benchmark
in child-friendly education.
Education that will value
Aspiration
over ambition,
spirituality over religion,
wisdom over knowledge,
a united world
over divided one,
individual creative thoughts.